I'm Dr. Suraj Mandal, and as a member of family of late BP Mandal, I was invited to Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. And the backward classes people and common people of Guntur gave a massive welcome, and I was overwhelmed and really thankful to the people of Guntur, Vijayawada and Andhra Pradesh for having accorded BP Mandal such a great regard by placing his statue in Guntur. But unfortunately, I have come to know that the pedestal built for installing the statue of BP Mandal has been bulldozed by the municipal corporation officers over there. Now, this is not a small thing. This is an attitude which shows their utter disregard and utter opposition to the backward classes, their icons, their honor, and this is sort of humiliation of the entire backward classes people of the country. I condemn this act, and I appeal to the backward classes of Guntur and Andhra Pradesh to wake up and see how in the country we are facing such a situation when the central government is not fully implementing the Mandal Commission report, and whatever reservation has been given is being taken away. So the people of Guntur and Andhra Pradesh have got a responsibility to reply to this humiliation. I appeal to the Chief Minister, Jagan Reddy, and also to the TDP leader, Chandrababu Naidu, to see to it that the honor of BP Mandal, the backward classes people, are all restored, and they should intervene. Jai Bhim, Jai Mandal, Jai Phule, Jai Andhra, Jai Bharat.